March 2019. Columbus, Ohio. A 34-year-old logistics coordinator opens an email at 9:14 in the morning. His base salary has just increased by $11,000 a year. He reads it twice. Then he closes the laptop and starts thinking about a new car. This video is about why that raise made him poorer. The mechanism has a name. Economists call it lifestyle inflation. Psychologists call it hedonic adaptation. Both terms describe the same behavior. When income rises, spending rises to meet it, sometimes faster. The logistics coordinator did not think of himself as reckless. He had a budget. He tracked expenses in a spreadsheet. But within 8 months of the raise, his monthly obligations had increased by $940. The car lease was $410. The larger apartment was $320. The upgraded gym membership, the meal kit subscription, the streaming services added in small increments across a single quarter accounted for the remaining $210. His net savings position at the end of year 1 was nearly identical to the year before the raise. This is not unusual. A 2018 study from researchers at the National Bureau of Economic Research found that for every dollar increase in income, consumer spending among middle-income households increased by approximately 80 cents within 12 months. The raise arrives. The lifestyle expands. The gap between the two closes almost immediately. Thomas Gilovich, a psychologist at Cornell University who has studied hedonic adaptation for 3 decades, describes the process as a treadmill. Each new baseline feels permanent from the inside. The upgraded apartment stops feeling like an upgrade within 6 to 8 weeks. The car stops feeling new. What felt like abundance becomes the floor, and the floor keeps rising. There is a second mechanism compounding the first. A raise often triggers a tax bracket shift. The logistics coordinator's effective tax rate increased by 3.2% in the year of the raise. His gross income went up by $11,000. His take-home increase was closer to $7,200. He had mentally budgeted against the larger number. Most people do. The gap between what a raise feels like and what it actually delivers in net terms is rarely calculated at the moment of celebration. It is calculated later, quietly, when the numbers do not add up. By 2021, the logistics coordinator had $400 more in monthly obligations than he had in net monthly. Take-home gain from the raise. He was earning more than he ever had. He was also carrying more debt than he ever had. He got another raise in April of that year.